Hey guys, welcome to Flutter Stuff. Hope so you all are fine, doing great. And today we have an contact app project, and that project is basically a simple contact app. And here you see, first of all, the login screen. And in the login screen, you have two fields: an email and password, and a login button, and also the continue with Google. You can also log in with Google if you already have signed up. But if you don't have sign up yet, so you have to just simply click on this sign up button. Once you click on it, you see you will navigate to this sign up page. And here in the sign up, you have to first enter your email address, then password, and next the sign up button so you can sign up. Okay. So let's say we first of all we sign up over here, and in the email section you have to just enter the your email whatever you have. Okay, let's say I say Flutter stuff 123 at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, I entered random email basically, and I entered the password over there. Okay, so that is the password. And after that, if you want to continue with the Google, if you want to sign up with the Google, you can also do that. But I am ending manually an email and a password. So after that, just click on this sign up button. Once you do that, it will navigate to you to the home page. Okay, here you see, and also the message will appear. Account created. It will fetching the data from the Firebase. Also, the app is connected using Firebase as a backend. So all of your contacts and all of your data will be stored on the Firebase. Okay, and also on the top section, left, you see the navigation drawer. Once you click on this navigation drawer, you see it will just simple logo button and your email address through which you have signed up. Okay, and also the search functionality over there. If you want to search any contact that you have saved, we'll see in a few moment how you'll be able to save that. Okay, so you can also search the contact over there. Okay, so now let's create a contact. Just click on this floating action button, and here you see you have to just enter the name, phone number, and email address to create an contact. So let's say I enter first of all the, let's say, the Flutter stuff. Okay, so if you also want to want the source code of this project, so link is also in the description. So to check it out, and here you have to enter also the phone number over there. So I enter the random phone number over there. Okay, and also enter the email address. So just enter the email address whatever you have. Okay, I entered the previous through which I have signed up. So once you do that, after that you have to just click on this create button. Okay, just click on it, and now you see your um contact is saved on the Firebase that we used as a backend, and also you see the call icon over there. It will directly navigate to the dial-up. Okay, just wait for it. It will take a few seconds. And if you haven't, guys, subscribed to the Flutter stuff, do make sure to subscribe. I always upload the videos related to Flutter projects and Flutter stuff and resources. If you want to find any kind of Flutter resources, do visit flutterstuff.com where you find latest Flutter resources. So here we have a number, the number that's a random number over there. So if you want to make a call, dial in a call. So just click on this call icon.